Please all stand for our prayer. Good morning, children. How are you today? Please remain standing for our energizer. Is there anyone absent today, class? Row 1, row 2, row 3. Okay, very good. Give yourself a 5 claps. What are the classroom standard? Class. Okay, please read our classroom standard. Okay, sit properly. Don't talk to your seatmates. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Did I give you an assignment, class? Okay, pass your assignment here in front without noise. Are you done, class? to do is to observe the picture carefully. So what do you see in this picture? Yes, Marwan. Okay, the picture shows a waterfalls. Have you ever seen or visited a waterfalls? Okay, very good. Have you ever wondered where the place got their names? Very good. Today we will learn a story about the place in Kidapawan City called Tusuban. Before we proceed to our main topic, let's unscramble the letter in each item to form the words related to our topic. Use the hints to help you. So first word is a traditional story from the past. Inuman. Okay. Is this your son? Okay. The answers are legend. Next word is where something comes from. Who wants to answer? Yes, Dula. Okay, the answers are origin. Where something comes from. Next word. People who move to live in a new place. Who wants to answer? Okay, very good. The answers are settlers. Next word is land beside a river. Who wants to answer? Yes, Nisa. Very good. The answer are river bank. Next word is group of people living in one place. Who wants to answer? Yes, Kalipapa. Okay, the answers are community. Now, please read our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student can describe the legend, show appreciation for local legend by participating in discussion, and create and present a short legend about this. Now I'll read the legend of Tusuban. Long ago, there was a peaceful place in Kidapawan City near a flowing river. A few families lived along the river bank and depended on it for water and food. One day, settlers arrived in search of a better place to live. They were amazed by the strong and clear river. They used the word Taos, meaning people, and Ovan, meaning river. They called themselves Tausugan, meaning people by the river. The settlers built homes, planted crops, and formed a community. As more people arrived, the place grew bigger. Over time, the name Tausugan became the name of the place. Today, it is remembered as a community shaped by the river and its people. Now I have some question for you. So what is the title of the story? Yes, Papa? Okay, the title of the story is The Legend of Tausugan. So where did the story happen? Yes, Magwan? Okay, the story happened in a peaceful place in the Dapawan City near a flowing river. Next is, who are the characters? Yes, Nisa? Okay, very good. The characters are the few families who first live along the riverbank and the settlers who arrived later. Next is, what did the settlers do? Who wants to answer? Yes, and I? Okay. The settlers were amazed by the strong and clear river. They built homes, planted crops, and formed a community. Last is, how did the place get its name? Who wants to answer? Yes, Tula? Okay, the place got its name from the word Taos, meaning people, and Oban, meaning river. The settlers called themselves Tausugan, meaning people by the river. Over time, the Tausugan became the name of the place. So now, what is legend? So legend is a traditional story passed down from generation to generation. It is usually based on old beliefs and imagination, but it is told as if it is really happened. Legend often explains the origin of a place, a name, or a natural features. In the story of Tausugan, it is believed that the settlers came to a peaceful place in Kinabawan City near a strong and clear river. The river gave the people water and food, so they built their homes and planted crops along the river bank. They called themselves Tausugan, meaning people by the river. From the word Taos, meaning for people, and Uban or river. Through their unity, the place grew into a community. Through this story, people learn the importance of working together and taking care of nature that gives us life. However, the story also reminds us that place grew because of the people and resources around them. When the settlers respected and depended on the river, they built a strong community. This teaches us that our actions and how we treat nature have consequences. Therefore, legends are not only stories for entertainment, they also teach lessons and good values that we can apply in our daily lives, such as cooperation, gratitude for nature, natural resources, and respect for the community. Now, for the group activity, group yourself into three to four members. Create a short legend about a place. Barangay, river, school. Present it in front of class. before that, let's read our rubrics. Criteria: content, creativity, cooperation, and presentation. Legend has clear beginning, middle, and explains main place. 3 points. Legend as part but missing element. Legend is unclear or incomplete. Creativity. Story original and interesting. Story is good but common. Story is copied or too simple. Cooperation. All members work well together. Some members join. Only 1 to 2 members work. Presentation. Clear voice, confident use, props drawing. Clear but a bit shy. Hard to understand. Okay, you may now start. Are you done? Now, please, okay, class, please keep quiet. Are you done, class? Okay. Now, get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer this. But for that, please read our direction. Read each question carefully and choose the best answer. Okay, class, you may now start answer. I'll give you 3 minutes. Are you done, class? Okay. Pass your 1/4 sheet of paper here in front without noise. Okay, are you done, class? Okay. So now, what is a legend, class? Yes, Papa? Okay. A legend explains a region of a place or things. Next is, why is it important? Who wants to answer? Yes, Lisa. It helps us understand our cultures and history. Now get your assignment notebook and copy the assignment. But before that, let's read the direction. Ask your parents or elders about the legend in your community or Kinabawan City. Write 5 to 7 sentences. Be ready to share in class.